Ready to transform your boring video calls into hilarious and unforgettable moments? Let's dive into the world of Snap Camera. First, head over to the official Snap Camera website, which I've conveniently linked in the description below. Scroll down until you find the download section. Here you'll pick the version that matches your computer's operating system, either Windows or Mac. Make sure you have a check in the box that says that you have read and agreed to the Snap Camera Lens Creator Agreement and Privacy Policy. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Snap Camera on your computer. It's a quick and easy process. Just click Next and agree as needed. Now, fire up the Snap Camera application. You'll see a live preview from your webcam. The real fun starts now. Browse through the endless collection of lenses, or use the search bar to find something specific, maybe dog ears, a virtual background, or even a face swap. To use Snap Camera in your video calls, open your preferred platform like Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype. In the settings, navigate to the video or camera options. Select Snap Camera as your camera source. That's it. Snap Camera will modify your webcam feed with the selected lens, adding effects and laughter to your video calls and streams. Be sure to check that this has worked by initiating a test call. Experiment, have fun, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which is your favorite Snap Camera filter.